Diana B, how are you?
Poa sana, mambo?
Nayo mambo?
Poa sana, uko poa? Yani leo ni kama nimekuja kwa traffic kusimama kusalimia watu. I am reporting live and direct.
What's up, Tea Gang, Wadau na Wadaku? Welcome to Tea on Tea Extra. Now, today is such a chaotic day for Kenyans in general because of the heavy floods that have happened in Nairobi and its environments. Now, roads are deemed impassable as roads are flooded and riverbanks have broken and water is all over, forcing some people to even sleep on their rooftop, cars to be swept away. Even people have been swept away by these floods. Now, one of the major things is the traffic that is happening on Kenyan roads, especially Nairobi roads, because people are trying to use the routes that are trying to be passable and all that. Now, this is something that has left Diana Bahati really disappointed, sababu aliweza kuamka 7 na by 7:45 alikuwa ametoka kwa nyumba headed for shoot ya Hello Mr. Right, only to end up in traffic for 5 good hours. My goodness.
Tea on Tea.
Tea on Tea.
Tea on Tea Extra.
Home of extra and celebrity tea.
Now, Diana B shared a video of herself in her Range Rover pale, where she was carrying her employees, the likes of Josephine Kinuche, na akasema kwamba traffic imewafanya wakaka hapo for hours waiting magari zipishane so that they can actually pave way waweze kuendelea na safari. Now, according to Diana B, the area of Northlands pale Thika Road ilikuwa imeshikana, kulikuwa flooded, magari hazipiti and all that. Now, later on, she was able to move to Githurai, kidogo akaona haiwezekani. She later found herself in Mwiki looking for a route, akajikuta tena njia za Utawala. Now, she says that everybody in Hello Mr. Right alikuwa amefika and the only person ambaye akuwa amefika for the shoot was her, na alikuwa amechelewesha watu, makeup hajafanya, she has not been dressed and everybody was set just waiting for Diana B. And 5 hours later is when she got to work past saa 7 mchana, and this is something ambayo ija sit right because she was tired, she works hard.
Hey, 5 hours later from 7:50 sai ni saa ngapi? 1:20. I'm still on the road, from Northlands to Githurai traffic, Thika Road nikajipata Mweki. Aya, sai tunaingia Utawala, nangojewa set. Kila mtu amefika, everybody is done, they're waiting for Diana. Diana hajafanywa makeup, hajawekwa hair.
Traffic. Many people are calling upon the governors to actually look into the situation, sababu Diana B is not the only content creator ambaye ameweza ku express her disappointment. The likes of the Pluto ambaye alishare kwamba pia Thika Road, pia areas za Kamakis, the jam was really big. The traffic was making the roads impassable. Magari hayasongi, the roads are flooded and some accidents have even happened.
Guys, kama unatoka na tao unataka kwenda Thika, well, situation ni mbaya. Pale hivyo kwa bridge maji inafika hapa, so tuna have kutumia hii exit ya kwenda Juja, tupitie juu ya bridge all the way to Thika. Nimekuwa hapa hivi for like almost 3 hours now, so car to home, stay at home.
Now, what do you think about this situation? Kwenu kuna floods ama mambo namna gani? Tujuzane pale kwenye comment section. That's all for the updates. Make sure you like and most importantly subscribe to this channel. That's what's up.
Tea on Tea.
Tea on Tea.
Tea on Tea Extra.
Home of extra and celebrity tea.